Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to use Cash App for small businesses. Whether you're running a home-based hustle, selling products online, or offering freelance services, Cash App can be simple, low-cost way to get paid and manage your money. So let's get into the video. First, set up a dedicated Cash App account just for your business, separate from your personal one. This one makes it easier to track income and expenses. Once your account is ready, you can create a unique dollar cash tag. This is like your business username that customers can use to send payments, share it on social media, your website, or invoices. You can also generate payment links or QR codes for customers to scan and pay instantly. If you're selling in person, the Cash App card reader makes transactions smoother, or just accept peer-to-peer payments directly. Plus, with the Cash App card, you can use your business funds instantly online or at a store, or withdraw cash for ATMs. And want to get paid faster? Enable direct deposit for client payouts or set up recurring payments for subscription services. The app also gives you transaction history, which makes it easier during tax season or when analyzing sales trends. Just remember, while Cash App works great for small scale operations, it's not a full accounting tool. So you may want to pair it up with simple spreadsheets or accounting software. And one more tip: clearly label your products or services when receiving payments so everything stays organized. So if you like this video and it was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. And if you want to get notified every time you upload any other tech tutorials, please don't go before ringing the bell of the subscribe button. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, see you in the next video. Thank you so much.